Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by exposing the cartridge so you can see the tape path. Remove the outer shell now. You will feel a click or slide that releases the halves. Once open, identify the supply spool, the K-cup spool, and the guideposts. Make sure to keep small parts together so nothing gets lost. If the tape is slack, gently pull to find the ends. If it's broken, align the fresh end to the leader slot. This visual inspection prevents guessing later. Threading is the crucial middle step. Hold the supply spool and feed the tape under the guide roller, then lay it over the applicator edge where it will peel onto paper. Continue to the K-cup spool, inserting the tape leader into the slot and winding slightly so it grips. Rotate the K-cup gently to remove slack and confirm gear teeth mesh without binding. If a spring is involved, retension it before closing. This alignment makes the dispenser dispense evenly when you close the housing carefully, ensuring the tape stays in its track and no edges are pinched. Test immediately on scrap paper by applying steady pressure and pulling straight. You want a clean, continuous strip. If tape peels or skips, reopen and increase tension by winding the K-cup a half turn or repositioning the leader deeper into the slot. Make sure gears rotate freely and the applicator edge is not worn. That one troubleshooting move, adjusting tension.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.